Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. And, open AI, Optimus. Well, this might not be Optimus, but that's Elon. This is a Cybertruck. You know that Cybertruck? It's kind of like Optimus. Self learning. Cybertruck knows stuff. It learns. It gets smarter all the time. Kind of like Grandpa. Oh boy. We're going to talk about stuff like Optimus and OpenAI, Sam Altman and his cohorts, or whatever you want to call them, have responded to Elon's lawsuit against them over OpenAI. Uh, Elon wanted to remain non-profit, and they made it profitable or somehow, or for profit, and I think Microsoft controls it now pretty much, and Sam Altman works for him. They put out a bunch of papers making their case today, but they redacted an awful lot of the information. A lot of the text messages between Elon and them, they just put out what was in favor of what they had to say in regard to OpenAI. So the saga continues. It's never ending excitement with Tesla, you know. So, yeah, you don't worry about this little Cybertruck here with these snow tires on it. Uh, it gets smarter every day. It's related to Optimus. They share the same brain. That's the way Grandpa looks at it. At least they got a brain, you know. It's exciting. Let's look at some candles. Oh, the 5 minute chart. Look at this. Grandpa's in the red. Oh no, it's going down after hours, and I can't even trade this thing after hours. But it don't matter. I got a 176 average, and I'll talk to you about where I think this thing's gonna go here. Where's it gonna go? Well, um, I think we're gonna see a range of around 170, 171 tomorrow, and up to 181, 183 possibly area for a range tomorrow. And I, I can tell you. Let's see here. We we had a high today of 181.57, and we had a low of 173.70. I need to switch to a different chart here. Well, that one doesn't really do it for us, the daily, but I want to go back to that one. We'll look at the monthly. So 173 is gone. We had substance at 174, and we went through it by 30 cents to 173.70 for a low. So we took out our substance at 174, and all those longs got activated, and we got to bounce up to the 180 area. And so now it remains to be seen what's going to happen. And we closed at 176.54 in the red. I believe the indexes were both up. Let me check quick here. If we can get this thing to work. We'll see here. I believe they were. Yes, they were. Nasdaq and SPY and even the Dow Jones was up a little bit, but yeah, the Nasdaq and S&P, they were both up considerably more. So Tesla underperformed today, but you know they're attacking their substation over there and took the current out, so they can't run that plant in Berlin for a week now till next week. And the next week they'll have functionality again. and get that rocket and rolling. And those activists, they'll have to go plant trees. It'd be nice if they planted some trees. Elon's guys are all planting trees all the time. So, substance. We got substance at 101.07 on the bottom side. Uh, we have substance at 152 right here on this red line. And so we're obviously going to see 152 next before we see 101.07. And then we have substance now at 252. Grandpa's got down. We've had substance there for a while. I just didn't put the line in. And we have substance at 269 and, of course, 284. So that's where these yellow ones are the furthest out substance, and the red ones are the closer up ones. So, and there's substance other places. Grandpa just don't talk about it. So what do I think about 174 where we hit? What I think is almost always Tesla revisits, a low area. Um, take let's go to a daily candle. I might be able to show it better, hopefully. Um, so you get a low area like right here, okay? It goes down, comes back down, and kind of retests it close to it. Same thing right here. You get a low area, it comes down, retests it. Okay, well, we got the 173.70 today, and Grandpa believes that it will come back down and to at least the 174 again, and very possibly even the 172, 171, 170, and retest, and then I think we're going to get our real bounce going upward, up. That's what I think. That's what Grandpa sees. Here's our death cross coming down. It's coming down a little over $1 a day now. She's at 208.25 actually, and tomorrow it'll be 207.25, and the next day it'll be on Friday. It'll be 206.25. Where's 206.25? Oh man, let's see. Did I do that right? Yeah, 206.25. Be right about. Oh, I had it perfect for a second. It's hard to get them. There it is. Well, there almost right about here. So anyway, that's by Friday, because I think we're gonna come back up probably next Wednesday. By next Wednesday or Thursday, I think we're gonna possibly hit 203. Now, don't take that to the bank, okay? Grandpa just thinks his own self that by Wednesday or Thursday, we might come up because this thing's going to be at 203, this 50-day moving average. I think we're going to come up, bounce off of it in the around 203 because Grandma wants to sell some shares there. And Grandpa's going to sell some shares at 203. So obviously, if we're going to sell shares there, it has to go there. But I think it's going to bounce off this line next week, Wednesday, Thursday area. And I think you're going to see 203 briefly. Not that it's going to necessarily close up there above it, but then I think we're going to get a rebound down towards 152. This is only Grandpa's opinion. Grandpa knows stuff. How Grandpa knows stuff, nobody knows for sure. Yeah, so Paul, he talked today, and that we'll look at the weekly quick. Got to look at the weekly. It's running sideways, but it is a sell signal. And let's look at the 15-minute. Oh, they've messed me up. I can't do the smaller time frames. They do it every time after hours. They go and they do some crazy wacko candle that isn't realistic, and so you can't go by it at all. But the daily and the weekly and the monthly, they don't mess that up because they don't show after hours, so to speak. We're down at 275.65 right now currently for a price. You know, um, at this point, I'm not real confident which way we're gonna open here yet. I got a pastor's got a fever and a bad cold, and keep him in your prayers. And some of the little ones are under the weather. And Grandpa gets to do the service tonight. I think I'm gonna read Psalms to him, tell him some stories about the Lord and how good He is and all that kind of stuff. So that's what Grandpa's going to do. Yep, there's a self-learning Cybertruck. What else should we look at here? Oh, Grandpa's got a. Grandpa knew what he was doing. It'd be uh, what do I got going? I don't know. There it is. There's a self-learning car. It gets smarter all the time, just like Optimus. And Grandpa really likes Optimus a lot. There's no doubt about that. And Grandpa's trying to figure out how to run his thing while we're sitting here talking. That's what Grandpa's doing. Oh, let's see. I got so many stuff to look at that I don't even know what I'm looking at. Oh, I'll show you somebody else that's self-learning and smart. If I can get this thing to shut off. Well, now I got multiple stuff running. How I manage that, I don't know. There it is. There's Optimus. I think I got red lines on this thing. I goofed something up. But it hardly matters. There's Optimus. There's Elon. Elon is they plant trees everywhere. When they got clean water, they at their plants, you can drink it. Don't even worry about it. Okay, so Grandpa'll probably do one later tonight after church, and I'll give you an update on the divergence issue. We closed in the red, and I think we closed on higher volume, but I'm not 100% sure yet, just Grandpa's opinion. So I think we gained some divergence, and I'm expecting. I'll go through the divergence later tonight. I got to do one because if we had higher volume, like I think, on these lower prices again, that's a sign we're going to go up, and we did it by 51 million shares, not yesterday, but the trading day before that. And so that's a terrific sign that we're going to go up. And besides the fact that Optimus is here, and when Optimus decides to clean plant trees, these activists better watch out, because by golly, Optimus is going to be planting trees everywhere, and then he'll be watering the garden and the trees with clean water. So why worry about it? That's Grandpa's opinion. Okay, all good things are from the Lord. Keep Pastor in your prayers. He's under the weather. He's not. He's pretty sick right now, and but he recovers quick. He's young and strong, and Grandpa's gonna go in there and read the Bible tonight a little bit and have some. Oh, Grandpa's just gonna have a wonderful time. That's what Grandpa's gonna do. And think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you later. Bye bye.